welcome. My name is Tamara. I did a lot more when I was holding it in my hands. Good morning. Today I'm gonna bring you guys with me on my adventure and journey to go to the ceramic studio I'm feeling like throwing today. I think it's a beautiful day to do that. The beautiful day in question. Gloomy, right? I thought it'd be really fun to bring you guys along with me. So I do hope you guys enjoy this. I think it's gonna be fun. I wanna do more vlogs, more of me creating. So this hopefully is the start of that. Yeah, let's go. This bag is heavy as fuck. I'm bringing like probably 5 pounds of clay in my bag right now. Okay guys, I am finally here in the studio after my little journey down here. I'm about to throw on that wheel right there. Lugged a ton of clay, but yeah.
Too difficult, too complex to really describe. Surreal, more real than reality itself. A dash of cubism and a dollop of Matisse.
Folhas sagradas pra me curar, pra me afastar de todo mal.
already basically 3. Been here for a couple hours and I think I got some good stuff.